TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern Time, middle of the trading day. 3 hours left till that closing bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices are higher. Dow Jones up 124 points, or almost 0.5%, trading at 26,273. S&P's up by 8 points, trading at 2832, and NASDAQ positive by 17 points, trading at 74.29. Start things off. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 3 hours left to go until that closing bell. Quite a little seesaw day we've had. So higher we were pre-market. We trade lower into about the open. Lows of the session looking at about 9.15. From there, we've rebounded. S&P 500 currently trading at 28.32. NASDAQ 100, similar pattern, traded lower ahead of the open. From there, we got a bounce at about 9.15, hanging up near the highs of the session, 69.67 in the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30 currently trading 26,246. Crude oil bouncing around a little bit this afternoon. Crude currently trading 65.45. Gold getting a bid. Of course, you had the Fed announcement yesterday, putting a little bit of a bid in gold. We'll back this up as we get into yesterday's action. There is your Fed announcement about 2 o'clock yesterday. Spikes lower, spikes higher, kind of just hanging at that level, 1344.65 in gold. And natural gas struggling a bit today. We had EIA inventories, 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, coming in pretty much in line with estimates. And from there, there's your 10:30 bar on those estimates, trading about 289. We're about 4 pennies lower, 285 on natural gas. What else we have volatility-wise? We'll pull up our Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin struggling. Yesterday, we were hanging right at around 10,000. A day changes everything. Today, right at 9,000, traded below 9,000 just as of the last hour. Bitcoin continues to struggle. We'll see where cryptocurrencies go for the remainder of the day, remainder of the month. But some unseen levels in quite a while as Bitcoin in the 8,000 territory. What else we have? Big day of earnings coming up at the end of the day. We got Alphabet, Amazon, and Apple. You had Facebook yesterday coming out with their earnings. Facebook up 3.7% today. Microsoft also out with their earnings yesterday. Traded lower after the bell on those earnings. Spiked higher. Microsoft up 0.8%. And as we get ready, let's see. We have Apple up ahead of their earnings. Amazon down 1.3% ahead of theirs. And how about Google? Pretty much flat. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Then Dave White, Tom O'Brien, Andy Heck. Have a great day, everybody.